G'day guys, welcome back. Too many projects, not enough time. I'm Andrew, as usual, with Ivy. And today we're going to hit back on that heater restoration or rebuild that we're doing. We're going to get that mostly finalized and squared away. So appreciate you coming back again, watching the video. Remember to like and subscribe, hit that bell notification. We all like that. It shows you appreciate what we're doing. Let's go along for the journey again and get that heater box mostly finished up. Getting it finished off. So we did get the pressure relief valve. Really cute little one. It's actually a, not a pressure relief valve, well I guess it is a relief valve. Bleeder valve. It is one from an aircraft store for bleeding the fuel tanks and getting a fuel sample. So it will work awesome. Just got to put a little thread tape on. So you drop it on the floor. So anyway, we'll put some of that on, we'll put the valve on, and then we're going to drill a hole through the side so we can bleed it while it's in the truck, as opposed to its original design, which was you got to get in between it and the firewall. So we're not going to do that. We're going to come out the side. Let's get it.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
This is not a drill.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
Is that all you got?
Let's begin now.
For not taking for a lot of years, except for the odd little job here and there, but I really haven't taken much for a lot of years, like 20 odd years. Yeah, it's pretty good. Getting my hand back into it. I got to figure some glasses out though. I have trouble focusing at that distance to see exactly what's going on properly, but alright. So I guess now we just got to get the fan taken out in the two holes. I've done quite a bit more here on the heater box. Man, I just love this thing. It's so cool with these multi-directional vents. They got little handles and some trim and stuff, which will all go on once we're finished it all and painted. So here we are. We have the back piece on now, modified to take the axial motor. The bulkhead mounts are in there, including the new pipes. And also, on the side, is the bleeder, a little bleeder valve. So instead of coming out the back where you can't get to it because of the bulkhead, which I said before, I know on repeat and stuff, it does come out of the side now, so we can just access it quite easily to bleed the air off when we put the coolant in. So once we get to that point on this heater, we will be opening up the top a little more and building a duct to go up into the Range Rover dashboard with all the vents and stuff in it. So we will be opening up a larger duct here to allow that heat to be pushed up into there, as well as the vent for the creating a vent for the windscreen to the defroster. So still lots to come, but basic restoration of this is done now. Thanks for coming along. I really appreciate you spending the time to watch these videos. Mostly for me, like I said in the last video, I think it's just a way to get me out in the shop and get these built so I can get a video out to you guys and keep me moving along. Just one extra motivation besides the fact that it's going to be a cool project to be working on. Thanks for coming along. Remember to like and subscribe, hit that bell notification if you want to get updates, which, hey, who wouldn't? I don't know. Your choice. Appreciate you coming along. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you on the next video. Fetch. Fetch. Fetch.